National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tuttle, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, southwestern Norman, Moore, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Noble, Tuttle, Goldsby, Washington, Cole, and Bridge Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning.